Now let's take a look at the skill matrix. This is where everything that we've just built kind of comes together. So we have skills that are made up of learning activities, and then here you can see your different employees and the skills that you have built. And you can start to get a very quick and easy overview of which employees are qualified in which skills in this matrix. So as you can see here, there is a kind of empty green circle and a filled green circle, and then some where there is nothing at all. So the filled green circle with the tick means that this employee has qualified in this skill and completed all of the learning activities associated with it. So if I click, you can see that Sam here has completed safety classroom training, meaning that he is qualified in general safety. So if I close that, we can also see here in the labeler, this means that Sam is enrolled for this skill in the labeler, but he is yet to complete it. So if I click in here, we can see Sam is enrolled in the labeler introduction, job shadowing and operation. However, he is yet to complete these skills and the associated learning activities, meaning that it is still a hollow green circle. And then there are some like this here, where they have not been enrolled at all to learn that skill. So if you wanted this person to be enrolled for that skill, you would just click on the plus over that area and say, okay, enroll. And then that employee will be notified that they have been enrolled for learning this skill.